with the total breakdown of this Artemis P15, my favorite hunting air rifle. We are about to change the pellet feeder, the port here, and for that it is needed to be totally breakdown. Only wrench that we are going to use is this all-in case, and no other devices needed. Meanwhile, let me explain that this rifle is very promising, especially in terms of hunting. Although it is minimal, it benefits from a very well designed, and I really like this gun. And since it's very minimal, it is needed to be totally breakdown. It's really compact, and every parts are assembled somehow that it is needed to be tear apart to bring out and change the pellet feeder and the port. We are going to change the barrel too. This barrel is fully choked. I didn't have good results with slugs. It's not pellet picky. It likes every and single pellet you feed it. But when it comes to slugs, it shoots them. Yet you cannot count on it. To me, it's the best hunting rifle I have, although for long ranges, it's not that good. You can count on it in every single shot under 50 meters. Believe me, on the 100, you can count on it as a hunting rifle. If you have a good shooting position, there would be high chances of hitting the target 7 out of 10 in 100 meters with pellets. If I have success in changing the barrel and using slugs, believe me, it would be the only gun I would carry out. As I told you before, it's very compact. Design is somehow that it needs time to understand what's going on under that. And here we are. We need to open this screw here. It's a tiny screw. That releases the pin that holds the pellet pusher. Here, so I cannot release it. The barrel should be taken out completely. Although there are two different the only place that holds the barrel is with this small screw here. Although there are 2 holes, there is only 1 in my gun. Okay, let's see what we do have here. Unfortunately, as I said, the trigger group must be loosened in order to bring out the hammer. All of these are only to change the pellet pusher, and if in any case we manage to make a new one that can be changed directly, it would be a great success. Let's see what we have here. No, there's no chance of taking it out, bringing it out without unscrew this trigger group. The trigger mechanism is lovely, small, minimal, and affordable. Except let's say affordable in pulling, promising in pulling, and although it's very crispy and trustable, it is not that hard and can be pulled easily for a hunting target, for a hunting rifle, as I said, not target shooting. Maybe some people had made. And now the hammer is released. Maybe with some improvements, some tuning, it can be used as a target rifle too. Come on. Hammer is rest. Now this pin, which was screwed with the tiny screw over here in the pellet pusher, can be released. Did I loosen it completely? Is there anybody up there? Come on, baby. And then voila! Sorry about that. It's this way through the barrel port. Oh. The pin holds, this pin holds this guide, this pusher guide here, and here it comes out last. Where is it? Oh, this one has the tiny screw which holds this pin inside the pusher like this, and it has to be taken out completely, and then it comes out and you can take out the pellet pusher. Here is the total disassembly of this Artemis P15.